So just like the skin on the rest of our bodies, the skin on our scalp needs special attention and care too. It's important to remember that it's vulnerable to seasonal changes such as dryness, irritation, and dandruff, which is a very common condition that affects many of us. And when it comes to dandruff, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. You actually have to create a custom scalp regimen and routine to achieve control of your symptoms. Neutrogena has developed an entire collection, the Scalp Therapy Anti-Dandruff collection, of medicated shampoos that are clinically proven to address the signs and symptoms of dandruff, including itchiness, redness, flaking, and irritation. And each of the shampoos is dye, paraben, alcohol-free, so suitable for more sensitive scalps. Each of the shampoos has a different strength of salicylic acid, which is a top ingredient found in over-the-counter anti-dandruff shampoos. And salicylic acid really works to address the oil production on the scalp and the dryness and flakiness that tends to happen in dandruff. The first shampoo in the collection is the Daily Control. This contains 1.8% salicylic acid, and this is also suitable and gentle to use every day. And it contains a warm vanilla and toasted coconut scent, which creates a great in-shower experience as well. Then you have the Extra Strength. This shampoo is 3% salicylic acid and is formulated for more severe signs of dandruff. In addition, there are 2 shampoos formulated with 2.5% salicylic acid, each with targeted symptom management. You have the Build-Up Control, which contains apple cider vinegar and really helps to clarify the scalp. And then the Itchy Scalp, which contains peppermint and is more soothing for itchiness on the scalp. No matter what your symptoms of dandruff, there is a shampoo in the collection that's formulated to help address those symptoms. And the best part about it is that each of these is available exclusively at Walmart and Walmart.com.